want to say much. We are told not to say one term or two term. But I want to make it a bit clear here that for me, I am not also in one term or two term. I am in what you call term Raila Amolo Odinga. And that's what people don't understand. Raila Amolo Odinga has left us with a legacy. And if we want to be good people, we should come together. The one-termers and the two-termers. We must build one ODM. And it is high time. Bishop Kodia here, I talk to you on behalf of the clergy that please call our senior politicians here. Call Professor Anyang, call Orengo, call Oburu, call all these people and sit with Bishop Kodia. Bishop Kodia, you're the one I talk to. Sit with Onginjo, sit with Bishop Okoth and all the senior clergy and see how you can bring these people together. Put a mediation team that can support this process. Secondly, I want to appeal to our trustees like Wako. Don't sit on the fence. Wako, Gumo, you are the people here. Bosire and all the senior people who are in this party. Come out, sit together with this clergy and let us see how we can bring back this party. We can go nowhere with these two factions. That is the truth of the matter. We have senior leaders. We have senior leaders. Torome, uko wapi? Lokopir, uko wapi? Mumingaru, don't sit on the fence. You are friends of Raila. If Raila's party is going bad, rudisha kila mtu kwa meza. Kujeni tuongee, turudisha hii party, ikuwe party moja, tusaidiane and see how we can move forward. Don't castigate me when you see me speaking to Orengo. I also speak to Wanga. So why should you castigate us? Because I want people to come back together. What is wrong? Don't think that if you're in Linda Ground and Linda Wanaishi, Raila was Linda Ground and Raila was Linda Wanaishi. Adiamo mimi ni Linda Ground na Linda Wanipata. Kama I was already with Linda Ground. I'm one of the only women who has been vying. Sijapewa certificate ya party. So I'm Linda Ground. Kujeni kwa Linda Ground na Linda Wanaishi, tukae pamoja na to make sure that this party is going to go on. Otherwise, we are going to lose.